Okay, for this video, I'm going to explain why you read this hour hand as 9 and not 10. Okay, although it's in between 9 and 10, you read it as 9:30. Why? Because um, okay, if you rewind the clock backwards, okay, remember how I mentioned that a clock actually every hand moves clockwise direction. Okay, so like this second hand moves in a clockwise direction, this minute hand moves in a clockwise direction, and the hour hand moves in a clockwise direction. Okay, so because every hand moves in a clockwise direction, okay, when you work backwards, okay, the most effective way to read this clock, okay, to read the hour hand is by thinking of it as where it came from. Okay, so by looking back, working backwards, okay, you understand that the 9 actually came from, okay, it moved backwards right here, so it actually came from here. Okay, so it probably came from 9, and this what do you call it, this mid hand, okay, actually came from here, anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so this way. Sorry, my arrow is a bit ugly, but I think you get the point. Okay, so it actually came from here, and every time it moves, right? Okay, so how do I get 9:30 in the first place? Okay, so it probably start from 9 o'clock. All right, so it started from 9 o'clock because you move backwards, right? And you move everything backwards. Okay, so when it moves in a clockwise direction, it let's say moves by 5 minutes. Okay, this hour hand move by a bit. Okay, remember how this moves faster and this moves slower. Okay, so by the time this minute hand reaches here, okay, this hour hand move here. So that is why, okay, it started from 9 o'clock, then 9:05, then it moved a bit, 9:10 it moved a bit, 9:15 it moved by a bit, and by the time the minute hand moved to 9:30, which is this position here, okay, which is this position here, okay, you get the hour hand, okay, move this way. So so that is why at this position is considered 9:30, 9:30, and not 10:30. So and if if you were to have 10:30, okay, if let's say if you if the clock were to show you 10:30, the 10, I mean the hour hand will actually be here. Okay, here. So this reads as 10:30. Why? Because when you rewind this minute hand, this hour hand comes down to 10. Okay, so this, if this is the actual time that is telling, it is being told. Okay, this is 10:30. Although it falls between 10 and 11, this is 10:30. So if you want a very simple way to read to memorize, okay, the easiest way is to just choose the smaller number of the two. So which means if you see the clock showing time like that, right, showing time like that, okay, this when the hour hand is in between 9 and 10, okay, in between 9 and 10, you choose the smaller number, which is actually 9. Okay, even when, okay, you have a time of let's say maybe 9:55, sorry, 9:59 for example. Okay, the minute hand shows 9:59, and the hour hand is so close to the 10 o'clock, it's so close to the 10 o'clock, okay, but not hit the 12 yet. Okay, this is still considered as 9. Okay, this is considered as 9:55. Okay, 9:55, 9 and 50. Sorry, no, not 9:55. 9:59. Okay, because this is at the 9:59 position, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. So this is 9:59 and not 10:59. Although it's so close to 10, it's still in between 9 and 10, so you take the smaller number, which is 9.